This is your dynamic warm-up, and you're gonna do it at the beginning of every single workout. So we're gonna start with a lacrosse ball, and we're gonna release the fascia on the bottom of the foot. So get your shoes off, and just roll it out, and really just doing whatever feels good. Wherever there's tightness, kind of roll deeper into that. Never any pain though, keep it light. So 30 seconds on one foot, then we'll switch to the other. Good, and then when you're done that, we'll take a straddle on the floor. So legs reach out, hands come to the center, roll the shoulders back. So the entire time you want your shoulder blades to be drawn together. We're not collapsing forward. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, you're gonna reach forward, and we're doing this 8 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Beautiful. Okay, bringing it into a glute bridge. You'll come down onto your back, pull your heels in towards your bum until you can touch them with your fingertips. Push the lower back into the mat. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, press the heels and squeeze the glutes at the top. And we're going for 8 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Beautiful. Okay, one leg now. Doesn't matter which one. Just get the heel up in the air and push up through the grounded one for 4, 3, 4, and switch. 2, 3, and 4. Beautiful. Okay, so staying laying down, we're going to warm up the hamstrings, the back of the leg. So lift one foot up into the air. We're going for 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, other side. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Beautiful. Okay. So hip circles, we're gonna take a tabletop position here. So wrists are underneath of our shoulders, knees are underneath of our hips, fingertips spread wide, and we're gonna do circles for 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, other side. 7, and 8. Beautiful. Okay, heel tap. So this is to ignite the side bum muscle called the glute med. It might feel uncomfortable. You're gonna plant the heel down and point the toe up. And then you're just gonna do some taps, 8 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. Whoop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Beautiful. Okay, hitting the hip flexors now. So low lunge. You're gonna tuck your tailbone underneath and lift the front of the pelvis. So we're finding a neutral pelvic alignment here. Once you're there, you're gonna lean into that leading knee. And once you feel a nice stretch down the hip flexor, you're gonna take your hand back and open up to the side. So if I've got my left leg forward, my left arm will reach back and I'll look back. Good, a nice big stretch. And let's hit the other side. So tuck the tailbone, lean forward, and then take that arm back. Nice twist here. And you can use your other arm as leverage against your knee. Beautiful. Okay, knees against the wall. So I'm gonna show you this from a forward direction, but you're gonna be against the wall. So basically, you're gonna be a foot away from the wall, like this. And this is what you're gonna be doing. So pretend I'm holding onto the wall here. You're gonna stand on one foot, put your weight in the heel, and then you're gonna Bend your knee in the same direction that your toes are pointing for 4. And then you're gonna take it to the inside. I'm just gonna plant this foot down for balance. Yours will be up. Weight in the heel, coming to the inside, so past that big toe. 3, 4, and then out to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Other leg. So this is warming up the knee. 2, 3, 4 to the inside. 1, 2. Weight in the heel. 3, 4. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Okay, froggers. So we're gonna do 4 of these. Feet underneath the hips. I like to take mine a little bit, just a little bit wider, toes pointing out just slightly. Arms up, pull your core nice and tight, then we're gonna come down into a squat. So you'll see that my knees are pointing in the same direction as my toes. Then I'm gonna drop my fingertips down and then straighten my legs and drop my head down. Then you're gonna come down into that squat again. Arms up, press up through the heels, that's 1. Squat, fingertips, drop the head, then drop the bum, arms up, press up through the heels. 2 more. Fingertips, drop the head, straighten the knees, bum comes down, arms reach up, push up. All right, so time for some lunges. So we'll start this first one from the ground so we can get a proper alignment. So you'll see that my knee is under my hip and my hip is under my shoulder. Draw the shoulder blades together, tuck the toe underneath the foot, and then we're just gonna press up. And then back down for 4, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, other side. Find your nice straight line from shoulder down to knee. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Beautiful. Okay, side lunge. So we're gonna take it from to one side here. So when I'm here, my knee is pointing in the same direction as my toe. Back to center. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, other direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Beautiful. Okay. This one we're going to use our lacrosse ball for again. So we're releasing the fascia in the chest here because we tend to get very tight in that area. So find the space where your pec meets your shoulder, and that's where the ball is going to go. You're going to take this and you're going to push it into the wall, and you're going to make little circles here. And just like with your foot, just following what feels good, finding that tension, bringing your breath into it, releasing. 30 seconds-ish, and then switch sides. Good, okay. Angelings. So heels are about a foot away from the wall. Your back is gonna stay pressed against the wall the entire time. And if you're tight, it's gonna wanna sneak out, so that's your job to kind of watch and make sure that it stays there. Now take the back of your wrists, the backs of your wrists, and press them against the wall. And as soon as you do that, you might find that your back pops up. So push that back, then your wrists might pop up. Everything's gonna try to compensate. So just try to keep everything in check if you can. And it'll just get easier over time. And we're gonna bring it up for 8, 3, 4, 5, don't let your back sneak up, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, almost there, 3 more exercises. So this one will need 5-pound weights or 3-pound weights, or soup cans work too. So elbows in, 90-degree angle, palms facing one another, and you're just gonna bring your arms out with your elbows staying in tight, palms face up, shoulder blades pull together, back to center for 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Okay. Lateral raises. So once again, 90-degree angles. We're going to come up to shoulder height, not past. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now external rotations from here. So everything's in line with the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that is your dynamic warm-up. Have a really awesome workout.